Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Thanks so much for joining me today. Today I have the latest Papercraft Society box that is being sent out, and this is number, what are we on here? Number 29, and it's from Christina Griffith's Card Making Magic, and you can see the sort of flowery, pinky, valentin'e look here, although you could use it throughout the year. And I'm going to go ahead and unbox it here. I will leave an affiliate link down below. I do get a small commission for that. If you use that link to purchase this, you can get like one-off boxes. You don't have to subscribe, or you could subscribe. I do subscribe and get them every month since the beginning, and they have been fun little boxes. And the box itself is good quality if you repurpose this for different reasons or storage or whatnot. And then you can keep the sleeves on your shelf in order there. So we're on number 29. All right, so we'll look at that sleeve in a minute. To anniversary gifts. Now I don't know, oh, they have both the US and the UK, because inside here are some of the extras here. So it looks like we're gonna have some flower making, because there are some stamens there, quite a few. And you could probably color those if you wanted those a different color. There's some seed beads here in like a pearly white. So different uses for those. Of course, there's the instruction booklet with lots of ideas and projects that the design team has put together. And then, of course, some interview questions and things like that. So beautiful inspiration. I won't flip through that because I know people enjoy looking at that. But there's that. And then here's the oh, this is the foam. Okay. So it's foam. It's that nice thin foam. You can make like flowers. This die cuts pretty well, I would imagine, because I've die cut foam before. And all of these colors there. All right, so that's that. I always want to open this the opposite way. So we've got the wallet. She always has some quotes and things there. So it looks like we've got a stamp set, 2 stamp sets, an embossing folder, and some papers. So let's take a look at that. First, we'll look at the embossing folder here. So very lacy. It's got like a little picot edge, and you run that through your machine, and you can do all sorts of things with that. Paper here. So here's the die set. Now, I'm wondering, does this cut out any of these? Might have to play around with that. I don't think it does, but you never know. But anyway, so let me get the glare. Lots of hearts here. Hearts, hearts. So I guess we'll start with this one. So there's a cutout. You can see that. And then you can cut it into your card, or you can make a separate solid piece and then cut this together like this and layer them. And then here's another insert. Looks to be the same size. And then it has this little sort of hole punched scallop there. So that's cute. So it looks like they're interchangeable with that. So you have a couple options. And then we have these hearts over here, and then a stitched layer, and so forth. So you can really layer up. And we have these little ones. We have some ivy, looks like, some flower stamens to kind of build up your flowers, I guess, with the foam, and a border here that you would have line up, and it does come in 3 parts. So if you can cut this into the paper, like I said, or you can use both sides or just one of the sides. And then there are some other little bits here. So lots of things to kind of decorate and add texture to and build up, which has lots of sentiments that you can combine together, and flowers to stamp, and then those little hearts. One of these might fit on there. I wonder. Let's see. I don't know. Yeah, it's not quite the same shape. But you could put the some of these smaller ones, smaller sentiments can go inside of the heart. So lots of things there, not just for Valentine, but engagements, special days, weddings, all more sentiments. So just tons of sentiments. Big hugs, a nice big bold one there, some borders, Some little things there for anniversaries. So you have the sapphire, diamond, ruby, pearl, etc. You have that ivy, like a little honeycomb type. Nice little background stamp you can make. So lots of things to do there. Then it looks like we've got some vellum. So some colored vellum and some nice border prints there. All over little ditzy print. That one. And you can like tear these. Vellum is really nice when it's torn because you get that sort of under layer there. And, you know, you can tear off pieces or you can use them as whole sheets. And then all these are really pretty. It's really lacy floral here. Hearts. Maybe these fit with the dies. I bet they do. Have to check that out. I love that polka dot one. It's really pretty. And then this one here. And then this is like the colored one, only without the color. Look at that. So great for die cutting and use on your projects. I did want to say also, I'm going to insert this. I made my video and then I realized as I was looking through the book, I think they had sent me an email saying that there was a problem. There were some, because I'm thinking, it seems like there should be some more things, but there are these boards. Let me see here. This, if you can see that right there. It's like a template board, scoreboard tool that's supposed to come with this, and for some reason it didn't get put in the box, so they sent that out separately. So that is coming, so I'll have to do a project once that comes, but in the meantime I'll do some cards or something, or maybe a 3D thing or what have you, but I forgot about that. So there is a board that's included, in case you're wondering, like, oh, value for your money there, that there is that nice plastic board, scoreboard that's coming. So anyway, all right, back to the regular unboxing. All right, we'll have to make a project in the next video, and I'll have to read about how to use the foam to make the flowers. I bet she probably has, looks like maybe these are foam flowers. So on page 12, you have flower forming foam. So she shows how to go ahead and do that with your dies, using the heart dies. Well, that's nice. So making little leaves with the heart dies there, and then creating that sort of dimensional, shabby, chic look there. So anyway, lots of projects in there. I will give that a look and get some inspiration going and get a couple cards done. Thanks so much. Have a great day.